Hello everyone, welcome to the series on famous heroines in the plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Portia in The Merchant of Venice. Introduction. Portia, the wealthy heiress of Belmont, is one of the central characters in William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. She is a character of remarkable intelligence, wit, and strength who navigates the complex social and legal landscapes of the play with grace and ingenuity. Portia's role in the narrative is multifaceted, encompassing themes of love, justice, and mercy. This video explores the various dimensions of Portia's character, examining her strengths, vulnerabilities, relationships, and thematic significance, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Intelligence and wit. Portia's intelligence and wit are among her most defining characteristics. She is quick-thinking and articulate, capable of engaging in clever banter and devising ingenious solutions to complex problems. Her intelligence is evident in her interactions with suitors and her ability to interpret and apply the law. In Act 1, Scene 2, Portia displays her sharp wit in a conversation with her maid Nerissa about her various suitors. Portia, if to do what as easy as to know what were good to do, chapels had been churches, and poor men's cottages princesses' palaces. It is a good divine that follows his own instructions. I can easier teach 20 what were good to be done, than be one of the 20 to follow mine own teaching. This remark not only showcases her wit, but also her reflective nature and awareness of human fallibility. Strength and independence. Portia's strength and independence are evident throughout the play, despite the constraints placed on her by her father's will, which dictates that her husband must be chosen through a lottery involving 3 caskets. Portia remains proactive and resourceful. She respects her father's wishes while subtly guiding her preferred suitor, Bassanio, towards the correct choice. In Act 3, Scene 2, when Bassanio chooses the lead casket and wins her hand in marriage, Portia expresses her joy and readiness to commit to their union. Portia, you see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand. Such as I am, though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish, to wish myself much better, yet for you, I would be troubled 20 times myself. This declaration highlights her willingness to fully invest in her relationship with Bassanio, showcasing her independence and emotional depth. Disguise and legal ingenuity. One of the most compelling aspects of Portia's character is her decision to disguise herself as a young male lawyer, Balthazar, to save Antonio, Bassanio's friend, from Shylock's bond. This disguise allows her to navigate the male-dominated legal system and deliver a brilliant legal argument that ultimately saves Antonio and defeats Shylock. In Act 4, Scene 1, Portia as Balthazar delivers one of the play's most famous speeches, emphasizing the quality of mercy. Portia, the quality of mercy is not strained. It dropped as the gentle rain from heaven. Upon the place beneath it is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. Her eloquence and legal ingenuity demonstrate her profound understanding of justice and mercy, as well as her ability to operate effectively within the constraints of her society. Loyalty and compassion. Portia's loyalty and compassion are evident in her relationships, particularly with Bassanio and Antonio. She is devoted to Bassanio, willing to go to great lengths to help him and his friend. Her compassion is also shown in her dealings with Shylock, where she advocates for mercy even as she ensures justice is served. In Act 3, Scene 4, Portia explains her plan to Nerissa, showcasing her loyalty and determination to support Bassanio and his friends. Portia: they shall, Nerissa, but in such a habit that they shall think we are accomplished. With that we lack. I'll hold thee any wager. When we are both accoutred like young men, I'll prove the prettier fellow of the two. This plan underscores her willingness to take risks and her strategic thinking. Vulnerability and humanity. Despite her stance, Portia also exhibits moments of vulnerability and humanity. Her emotional investment in Bassanio and her concern for Antonio reveal her capacity for deep affection and empathy. Portia's adherence to her father's will, despite its constraints, shows her respect for tradition and duty. In Act 3, Scene 2, Portia's vulnerability is apparent when she gives Bassanio a ring, making him promise never to part with it, a gesture that symbolizes her trust and commitment. Portia: this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours, my lords. I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose, or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love. This moment highlights her desire for loyalty and her fear of betrayal, adding depth to her character. Thematic significance. Portia's character is central to the play's exploration of themes such as justice, mercy, and the role of women in society. Her ability to navigate the legal system and advocate for mercy challenges traditional gender roles and highlights the power of intelligence and compassion. Through Portia, Shakespeare examines the interplay between justice and mercy, showcasing the importance of balance in the administration of the law. Conclusion. Portia is a multifaceted character whose intelligence, wit, strength, and compassion make her one of Shakespeare's most memorable heroines. Her ability to navigate complex social and legal landscapes with grace and ingenuity sets her apart as a figure of remarkable depth and resilience. Through her actions and relationships, Portia embodies the themes of justice, mercy, and the transformative power of love. Her legacy as a character who challenges traditional gender roles and advocates for a balanced approach to justice continues to resonate with audiences, cementing her place as one of Shakespeare's most enduring creations. So this was the discussion on the character of Portia in Shakespeare's play, The Merchant of Venice. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.